Hello everyone. Today I am cooking a miso soup with a potato and onion. This is very simple miso soup. First, I'm going to slice the potato and cut them into slices. And I'm going to put them into water to reduce the starch and also to avoid discoloration. Next, I'm going to cut onion. Same thing as potato. I'm just going to cut them into slices. And this is a dashi stock powder made with a dry flying fish, dried sardine, and dried kelp, and dried bonito, and salt. And this is additive free. I just put it in cold water and also add cut potato in cold water. And root vegetables start from cold water to ensure even cooking. I'm going to use rice miso. Miso is a fermented soybeans paste. And we have over 1,300 types of miso in Japan. And they are made with soybeans and either rice koji or wheat koji or bean koji. And this is the map of Japan. And you see that some region use rice miso, which is the soybeans with rice koji, and other region use bean miso, which is soybeans with bean koji, and others use wheat miso, which is soybeans with wheat koji. So this is a picture of beans, soybeans, and rice koji before making rice miso. So this is soybean, and this is rice koji. And each region creates different types of miso by changing the ratio of soybeans and koji and amount of salt and the duration of fermentation. So it's always fun to travel around Japan because each region has different miso and therefore different miso soup. So when you're boiling vegetables, you will start to see foam floating. So make sure to take out floating foam to make a clear soup. And after boiling for a few minutes, you can take out dashi stock powder. Mine takes 2 to 3 minutes. But it depends on what types of dashi stock powder you use. Finally, I'm gonna add onions and boil them for a few minutes. And I'm gonna take out some of dashi stock to dissolve the miso. You could add the miso directly to the pan, but you have a risk of not dissolving miso completely. Check and see if potatoes are soft. Okay, soft enough. I'm going to add the miso. And most important thing about making miso soup is never ever boil the miso soup once you put miso. And the aroma of miso will deteriorate if the temperature of miso soup exceeds 90 degrees Celsius, 194 Fahrenheit. So you make sure to stop heating up just before boiling. Okay, this is very important. And it doesn't mean that you need to serve miso soup at a low temperature. No. Miso soup should be hot when you serve. So it's a little bit difficult, but I hope you give it a try. Miso soup is very good for your body, and it's not difficult to make as long as you control the temperature. And you can put whatever you want in miso soup. You can put any vegetables you might find in your country, any meat, any seafood, of course, tofu and stuff like that. So, like when you make a chicken soup in your country or vegetable soup, just do not put any salt, just put miso instead. That will make a miso soup as well. Okay, give a try. Thank you very much. Bye bye.